Thousands were trapped in their homes this week as the Monday afternoon blizzard dumped more than a foot of snow on the northwest part of the state. But for some Oklahomans, their experiences were a little different. Chad Parks, a 10-year veteran of the Woodward Fire Department, was stuck in his fire truck for 7 hours while the storm raged overhead. Parks and another firefighter had just gotten back from a fire call when they hit a snowdrift and got the 24-foot-long truck stuck. Becky Burke of Alva raced the storm home after a fitting for her wedding dress in Tulsa. Burke said the snow has already hampered her wedding plans as she was waiting on some last-minute items for her big day next weekend. And Eric Shelton got a surprise delivery during the blizzard as he helped deliver a baby heifer from its mom as the storm pounded down on them.